We're going to go through our nightly review of our selections, and that's what we're going to do. So right after this intro. Hello and welcome. This is Reverend Dr. Gilberto Rosado. This evening we are going to give our last review of our coins, and for this case study, we are again, first of all, we are not giving any investment advice, and our program has nothing to do with day trading. So we're just doing this case study as an educational exercise. It's there's only virtual decisions being made, virtual money invested. So we're not telling anyone to do what we're doing or copying what we're doing. You don't want to do absolute. What you want to do with this case study is just follow along and learn, like we're doing. We're going along. Our members are following along. You can learn as well. About the crypto space, about the character and the nature of the crypto space. And I do describe about our program quite a bit, which has nothing to do with day trading or putting your money at risk. Our program is 100% no risk. Your money is safe. Whatever money you have, whatever house you have, you live in, whatever shirt is on your back will always be on your back with our program. You can't say that with anything else in cryptocurrency, any other program, anything you can get involved with in cryptocurrency. You're going to lose your shirt. You're at risk. Our program is the only one that you won't be at risk with. And so we can talk about that later on. You can just follow, go to the website over here. It's one of our classified ad sites, and you can just read up on the membership there. By the way, you still have time to do this before tonight's drawing, and get yourself a month worth of membership, and then we'll throw in for the upgrade. It would be nice if you can win an upgrade. Wouldn't that be a nice thing? Of course it would be. Okay, so let's get into. Take a look-see in our software, as we always do. Our premium software, and we see the colors flashing. It's almost like Christmas over here, except a lot of people with Bitcoin are not having a nice Christmas feeling right now, although our members are. With the prices this low in crypto and heading down lower, we are celebrating. Our program, our members are celebrating because we continue to earn Bitcoin. Unlike other people, you've invested in Bitcoin, or you're trying to invest in these coins, so your money's always at risk, and it's not good when you've spent, if you got into the Bitcoins at 7,000 or 8,000 or 10,000. Some of you bought Bitcoins when they were at 15,000. Well, this is not a happy number. I feel for you. But I also have been telling the story for a long time about our program and how you should swap out your money through our program and go to sleep at night and not have to worry. Matter of fact, celebrate when this happens, because when this is going on, we are buying more Bitcoin. Yum, 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 yum. More Bitcoin. Our program features all the coins. You choose which coin you're going to mine for. Again, we're not dealing with the traditional mining. No browser-based mining at all. None of that garbage. Hardware, the best hardware out there, can only give you about $100 worth of Bitcoin right now. A new Bitcoin machine's coming out soon that'll says it can do 1 Bitcoin per month, but just one of our over 100 streams exclusive for the mine owner membership alone, only one income stream our mine owners develop can bring them $7,500 per week. That means that they'll be getting a Bitcoin this week, like they got one last week. Okay, and every week. You know how many Bitcoins that is in a month? It's 4 weeks is 4 Bitcoin, and continuing to add and add. So see, that's why our members aren't crying right now. They're just so happy because their programs, the ones that we created, exclusive program, create more and more Bitcoin wealth for them. So that's the difference. So come and take a look at what we're doing. So again, we take the first look-see at Bitcoin just to understand that the pressure is still on as we look at our full coins now. We have the full 4. We have the full 4 coins now in action. We've also finished the chart, our own chart here, so that we can keep a track of what's going on. So since royalties is on, well, it doesn't matter because once I click, it'll just go out of the window. So let's just look at the first one here. Rabbit Coin. We expect Rabbit Coin to still be dead. We're not out of the woods yet on Rabbit Coin. Not much to talk about here. As you can see that we had some movement upward today, but that wasn't significant enough for any action on our part. It's right now going back down, but at least it's moving. You know, compared to what happened here, these dead days here was really detrimental, and the one before that, really. As you can see, it only had this action here and nothing else. It tried to do something here, but really nothing. Bitcoin is really doing its thing across the market. Zeta Micron, we also got into this, and we made a quick profit. I believe we got out. Let me just confirm that for you. Let me confirm that. I think we got out, but we got back in this morning, I think it was. Zeta Micron. I think we did go back in this morning. It was at 67.90. And see here, it was about here, something, yeah, 67.90, around there, this morning when we looked at it. And we suggested that it may go out sideways more. It may dip down a bit. You see that it did go sideways. It did go down a bit, and at this moment, just slightly had an upswing there, just slight, ever so slightly. Could it be that it's about to go up and get up a little bit? It could be. It could be what we were waiting for. So we will keep an eye on that through the night, and I'll make another broadcast if it does get up any higher, especially if we are able to make some profit out of that tonight. Okay, so we got in at 67.9, and it's down to 65.73. So we'll just keep a lookout on that. It's we expected it to go down a little bit more, but may pop up there this evening, so we'll look at that. And then royalties, another coin that we've been watching. As you can see here, it's just steadily sloping downward. Right now it's at 64.12. Let's look at where we were with royalties here. Royalties, we are in royalties. We got in at 76.96.0. 76. So it's down from where we got in to it originally. We corrected the number, folks, in your previous videos. We had an extra 0 in there. We went back and looked at the history, and it was a mistake. We corrected the 0, so now you have the accurate numbers here. So you can see that we corrected the numbers. Right now it's lower than that, and so we're waiting to see what royalty does. I mean, we're not expecting it to do anything because of the doldrums here, and with Bitcoin just struggling to survive at its level now, we don't expect anything to be happening on that. Let's take a look-see on our second panel coins. In the second panel, I think all we have there that we're looking at is Dollar Online. So Dollar Online, we sold out. We're waiting for a buy opportunity. We have doubled our money and then some on Dollar Online since the beginning of this case study. So let's take a look, see what's happening right at the moment. According to this, the price is 1 penny 45. We sold out when it was at 2 cents. So 1 penny 45 is lower than when we first got in. It's lower than when we first got in. But it's still not as low as the second time. The second time we got in was at a penny 34. So we're still just a bit a shiver above that. Again, I would expect this to continue to go down more. It's like trying to resist it here, and I would just wait a little while more. So in the next stream, I'll be checking Dollar Online, and I believe it was Zeta that we were expecting to go lower to give us an opportunity for purchase. I think so. I'm not sure now. Or was it Dollar Online? Well, Dollar Online is what I'm looking at now. So we're going to come back in for Dollar Online and just to give another look to see which of the coins we're expecting to go up. I forget which one it was. I think it was the Zeta that we're expecting it to go up since we bought into it. So we're waiting it to go up, and it may indeed go up tonight. Okay, so that does that. Everything is going okay. Going okay with what we're doing, and like I said, this what you're seeing is a simple case study that we're doing. Oh, there was something else I wanted to show you guys. It's a case study. This is not what our programs entail. This is simply a exercise for education. Is to give us more of an experiential type of command in the space, knowledge, experience, that you should have even virtually, just watching it on YouTube or on Periscope. and just to absorb the ambiance of the crypto space, to get that, to get more of a familiar feeling with the space. We're not promoting day trading. We're not trying to say that this is a good thing to do. And again, everything you're seeing is virtual. Our decisions to buy and sell are totally virtual. There's no money in it, so it just doesn't matter. I can do that because it doesn't matter. We're not going to lose anything because we're not investing in it. We're just doing this as an educational exercise. Now, our program has nothing to do with day trading, and we just do this for our members who are interested in day trading, and those who aren't but want to have more of a command of the crypto space. And we do these things. We do this also in the gold and precious metals program. So that program is more akin to this type of considerations. And we have a few strategies that we do totally different. We can do them in the precious metals market. We can't do it here with the cryptocurrency. But those things are for the precious metals crowd. I may start doing some videos here also in the precious metals program for you guys to look at. But in the meantime, you're really wasting your time, because if you are in crypto and you got your own money invested and you're really not trying to swap it out with our program, you are wasting your time and putting a lot at risk. You can do much better in our program. Absolutely. If you got hardware machines out there, you'll do much better in our program. Our program is producing for mine owners up to $7,500 per week. Now that's better than any of your miners can do. You'll be getting a Bitcoin every week. Okay, so you guys are there worried about it. That's without any electrical costs too. No electrical costs, no fees, nothing like that. Just $7,500 worth of Bitcoin every week. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So that's what our program is producing for mine owners. We have 3 levels of membership: basic level, the premium level, and then the mine owner. And you can have a chance of winning a full year of any of those 3 memberships by simply purchasing 1 month. And we have a 5-month training program, but if you take 1 month, you buy 1 month for, today, and another, and next day you do the other month, and you do the 5 months, you're saving 60% per month. It's an absolute wonderful thing. And each time you do that, I'll put your name into the wheel, and somebody has to always win. Either a full year basic membership, a full year premium membership, you get the software and the nice, great money makers in there, or the 3rd membership, which is the mine owner. The mine owner, that's worth over $1,000. You make that work for you with the training that we give you. You get that $7,500 a week happening there. You can sell that mine for a nice hunk of change, and you can do that just off this $10 right here. It's possible. Okay, so that's a win-win situation. So I really do motivate you to, and I'll tell you right now, time is running out. There's only a few more months left for you to get involved and to start really making big money with our program, because it takes time. You got 5 months training, and then after that you're on your way. But right now you've already lost 5 months out of a 3-year window that I looked and considered was your main opportunity. The main opportunity for you to become wealthy for you and your family is really in the 3-year window in my estimation, and I could be over. I could be over. This thing can happen in a few months. So you're really just wasting your time. And this is something you have a low entry point, a way for you to get started. And you really have no excuse. It's so affordable. And such a way for you to go and get started. It only takes 15 minutes a day. Our program is based on 15 minutes a day. That's it. And the greatest aspect of our program is that you're not risking your own money. You nothing to risk. Okay. And even if the crypto space disappears tomorrow, no more Bitcoin, no more altcoins, nothing. Now it's all illegal. It becomes the scourge of the earth, and you can't do it. That's it. Everyone's out of business. Our people will still be in business, not for the crypto, but they'll still be making money. And just do gold. Gold will always be available, and we already have that program. So voila. So that our people don't have a problem. Right now with Bitcoin down to 6,500, our people are celebrating. We're celebrating. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. I love it when it goes down. It has to go down. It should go more down because we're just loading up on that Bitcoin, loading up on the Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. All right. So, and you guys, I have professional people, experts in the field. They're in my program because they see the value of swapping out their hard-earned dollars, keeping it safe, and doing this. This program is based on the wisest advice, on the best, absolute best advice there is. That's what this program is based on. You can't get anything better. You're not risking anything of your own money. That's it, no risk. You're making money. You'll be making money in any case, no matter what happens to crypto. You'll be making money. That's it, period. That's the name of the game. And again, like I said, this is a program that has been making people gold coins and bars for a long period of time before crypto became one of the options that we opened up just this year, literally. Okay, so find out more about it. Send the $10 in and get your name on there. If your name's not in there, you can't win a year of anything. So come on in. In any case, you're a winner because you get a month of membership each time you do that for just $10. That's a steal. And in 5 months, you do the task. That's 15 minutes a day. You should be making through $50,000. And that will continue. It's a continuous thing, recurring monies that come into you by doing this program and doing the thing that we're training you to do. No worries in the crypto field at all. Nothing. Just Bitcoins, altcoins, whatever your choice of the coin is. Even gold if you want to do that, and precious metals or cash. And that's what's happening. Period. Our mine owners this week, they're making full Bitcoin this week on one of our programs. We have 100 of them available to mine owners alone. Then you have exclusive programs for premium members only. The only guys that have the basic core program are the basic members, but even they can make $50,000 or more, just depending on how much effort you put into it. And that's the bottom line. So if you don't get involved in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency after this, you're really just, you're going to miss it. And listen, somebody has to read the history book, and read about the guys who did make it big when the Bitcoin went whoo, and cryptocurrency, got itself established. So that's that. That's okay. I don't know what the next big thing will be. but it's pretty hard to imagine. I mean, we're into virtual money now. I mean, we had gold, we had the gold rush, then we had the oil rush, right? So these were tangible commodities. Now we're into virtual commodities. See, what is next? What could there be next? You're gonna have to wait a while until we discover something new on Mars, when we start colonizing planets, and then we discover new ores, and those ores will make it possible for interstellar travel, overnight. I mean, then that'll be some commodity, and you'll have something new. It'll be a physical, tangible thing, but right now, the virtual thing is happening right now. So, and what you need to understand about, it's not about the coins, people. You gotta understand that. It's about the blockchain. It's the blockchain. So that technology itself is going to do a lot. So that's why you shouldn't even imagine that Bitcoin is going to disappear. But that's just the imagination. That's just silliness. What's going on now in the market is because people are dealing with the valuation or not of the coin. It has nothing to do with the real source. The real value in the cryptocurrency market is the blockchain. That is the thing. It's just not yet mature. We're not yet there realizing what the blockchain's going to really do. But once it's realized, that Bitcoin, that's it. You heard it here. Just 2 years and a half left, really, at tops. You really need to get started now. Take care. I'll see you guys later.